I'm Terence. I'm the managing director of a company called Intelligent Engineering, and we manufacture high-end chassis for the caravan market, ranging from off-road to on-road, chassis with airbag suspension, disc brakes, and so on. We employ around 45 people on the production floor, and that grows every week due to the massive growth in the industry. We currently have several thousand chassis on order, and our challenge is to get as many chassis built to the very highest standard out the door. So we make use of a takt-time system where our processes are individually targeted, so it allows our staff members to become really good at what they do. It allows them to follow our process flow chart. It minimizes mistakes, and then it goes on to the next stage. And this allows us to achieve the number of chassis we do every week. Our takt time is our trigger. So if we shorten our takt times, we can make more chassis. And that's where all the innovation comes in. Currently, we're well over 50 chassis a week and growing to our target of, to being over 100 chassis a week in the near future. That is our goal, and we will be achieving that. Our main problem was supply chain, especially back in COVID days. We had massive problems with our previous supplier in terms of axles and supply, and without axles, we can't build a trailer. So it was a big challenge finding someone. Fortunately, we had met with Roddy at Trailparts and with Gerard, and got to meet him in New Zealand actually, at the factory there, and we built up a relationship from that stage. They've been our saving grace. They've come forward, their products are absolutely amazing, and dealing with a company like that is just really great. You have a level of personal care towards the way they handle each order. We converse together. The nice thing with a company like Trailparts is we can work together in testing. We share data together, we improve together, which is something we don't see with a corporate style business. Not only do we use the Trailparts beam axle directly from Trailparts, but it gives us great confidence to know that many of our other suppliers supply trailing arms actually also use the Trailparts components in their products. So knowing that we're receiving that sort of quality from those suppliers just gives us a great peace of mind in our products. Something I really found appealing from Trailparts was the innovation. They were one of the first companies to bring out the hollow tube axle, which is a great innovation in weight saving. They have a range of products, one of them being their Uni-Hub system that they've incorporated, which allows for a much stronger load carrying axle. The biggest thing with Trailparts is their supply chain has been absolutely phenomenal. They've never let us down. We have always had product on time, every time, reliable quality onto our chassis, so we could deliver and get our target of chassis out the door, allowing people to get their caravans built. Dealing with Roddy and Gerard, you feel like you're dealing with a family business. It's someone you can talk to. When you deal with a large corporate company, you're not heard, and just through testing, communication, talking to each other, goes a long way. So would I recommend Trailparts? Absolutely. I'd recommend them to anyone in business, anyone in the trailer industry. Get in touch with them. They'll solve many of your problems.